Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. My name is Stella. For those of you who are new, I know it's been a while. I took some break of social media, YouTube, everywhere, just to spend some time with myself and with family. And now I'm back, so expect to see videos every Sunday here on the YouTube channel. And you can always catch me on my Instagram for all post fashion, lifestyle, beauty daily. And also, as time goes on, we'll be adding more days to the YouTube post. Possibly maybe Wednesday, but I need your suggestions. But for now, you will expect videos every Sunday. Anyway, so today's post, I wanted to share some of the things that I got from the holiday. So should we call this like a luxury holiday gift unboxing kind of thing? So I have three things that I'm gonna share. These are all gifted items, and well, let's see. I think one of them I've not even used it. Well, maybe one. I've used one of the items because I couldn't just wait to use it. Okay, let's get this started. Hope you guys had a wonderful New Year. Happy New Year if I forgot to say that. So let's get started. It's probably one of my most requested where did you get it from on my Instagram, and I think it's still available. I'm gonna put the link in my description. It's still available on sale. So let's unbox this. So this is, if you're seeing this is a J.W. Anderson. So I'm sure you can probably guess what it is by now. If you're already following me on Instagram, you probably know what I'm talking about. So I have this in black, and I finally got it in another color. So this is it. I get a lot of compliments when I wear these. First of all, when you look at this chain, it looks heavy, but it's not even heavy. This is very, like, at least it feels like to me, very comfortable. I wear them a lot. This is like I call it my go-to shoes. A lot of time, even winter, like my black one. I've already worn my black one to like it was my go-to 2021. I keep forgetting that it's 2021 shoes. I wore it a lot. So I needed to get another pair. And I'm thinking of adding maybe the white one in the future. But yeah, so here is one of my items from my holiday gifting received. So I love this. Fits true to size for those who might want to get it. If it's true to size, I wear 40 in almost everything, and this is a 40. When you first get it, it feels a little tight. In terms of how wide it is, it feels a little tight, but after you wear it for the first day, at least for me, after I wore it for the first day, the leather kind of stretched out a little bit. So, because I know a friend of mine also got hers too, and she was sort of complaining that it was slightly tight. But once you wear it after just one day or at the most 2 days, it stretches out. So it feels a little looser and comfortable, more comfortable. So definitely recommend this. Very comfortable. This can be worn with anything. I wear this a lot when I'm going to drop off my kids. Quick, put my socks, put it on, and I'm on the go. Very comfortable. You can turn every outfit to simple to unique. This is a easy way to upgrade your outfit. So here it is. I sound like a spokesperson, but here it is. This is in brown, like a chocolate brown. Okay, on to the next unboxing. This is gonna be quick, I promise. So I'm not gonna keep you out for long. The next unboxing, honestly, I don't even know what I haven't opened this for real. So this is the next unboxing. Let me just smooth this. Can you guess what is it? So this, I haven't opened it. I know what it's inside, but I haven't unboxed it because maybe I haven't felt. I just wanted to wait to unbox it. Let's put it like that. Okay, let's get this started. Can't say no to Hermes. Let's put this over here. Can you guess now? Not yet. So this is this. This is another one that fits true to size. After I think in last year I shared the brown one that I got. It was super comfortable. So this is an addition to my collection. Love this color. As much as I love this, there's more colors that I love more than the other. Love this. I also like the white one, but the white one is really right now not a priority for me to get because I feel like it's always available. So maybe because it's always available, I don't feel the need to want it. But this I love. Fits true to size. This is a size 40. Very comfortable. So right here. So yeah, just put it on right now. I feel like it goes with my outfit too. But it's super cold here, so definitely not gonna be wearing this anytime soon. But love it, love it, love this color. Anyways, now the last but not least, this was the wow shock value. So can you guess what it is? Interior, of course, Chanel, you know. I was surprised by this gift. Truly surprised by this gift. This is a gift from my husband. I love Chanel. Anybody who knows, I love classic Chanels. And they just keep increasing the price, and it keeps getting ridiculous and expensive and scary to even want to buy it. But when it comes to any brand, it's probably one of my top favorites. So I can never say no to a gift of Chanel. But anyways, let me show you what is in here. Love how the holiday ribbon is this black and gold ribbon. Let's just take it. Ready for this one? So I'm excited. I knew what was in this bag. He told me what it was, but I am literally just unboxed it for the first time today, and I haven't even used it anywhere. So I can't wait to wear it out. Maybe next dinner I can wear it out. I'm always going for the classic flap, but voila, the boy bag. I love I love the metal. Of course, it comes also in the gold metal, but I've always wanted the silver metal because this bag has that edgy style to it, and I felt like the silver gives it more of that edgy style to it. So silver is the win, and this is the flat bag in black. It says 94305 flat bag black and a Z. Yeah, the boy Chanel handbag. So this is what it looks like. Surprise, surprise. I Santa, my beautiful, wonderful husband, was the best Santa ever. So this is it. She's pretty. She needs a name. She'll be joining her siblings. So if you have any name, drop it in my comment. Because they all have names now. So yeah, let's put this on the side. I feel like I have a lot of things here. Let's open it. I keep forgetting that it doesn't open this way without you pushing the claps together for it to open. So I'm always eager to lift without kind of squeezing to lift, if that makes sense. So there it goes. The leather is so thick. So this is what it looks like. It has a serial number because it doesn't come with a card anymore, the new ones. It has a serial number inside right about here, and it has a little pocket here. And yeah, I just love it. Let me see. So I wear a lot of my bags like crossbody. So like you can wear it like as a crossbody. So it's right by my waist, which I love. Just love the size. Just love the size. And I can also sometimes carry it like this. Yeah, I can also carry it like this. So yeah, so this is it. This is Chanel boy bag, flat. And that's it for my unboxing of my holiday gifts from Christmas from last year. It feels weird saying last year, but anyways, that's it for now. Let me know if you got something from the holiday that you truly loved, or if you got something for yourself. I actually got something for myself, but it's not here yet, so I can't wait to unbox that for you guys to see. So I'll share that in another video. But for now, this is what I received over the holiday. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you got anything for yourself or received as a gift. What did you get? What was your favorite item that you got? Yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it. And also, I need your suggestions for the new year. Let me know what you want to see. And I have a new video coming up next week on Sundays, every Sundays, here on my blog, here on my YouTube channel. I also am expecting more vlogs and more content. So until next time, when I'm not here, you already know where to find me on my Instagram, and also you can find me on my blog, shador-fashion.com. Until next time, have a good day. Happy New Year.